Dusting is one of those chores that can just feel pointless because some tools just move the dust from one place to another. These Swiffer dusters refills are different. Their specifically coated fibers are designed to trap dust and hold on to it, so you're not just brushing it across surfaces. What I appreciate most is the control. It's lightweight, it reaches into tight spots easily blinds, vents, ceiling fans, around electronics, shelves, and decor. So I can do a thorough pass quickly without turning it into a whole project. And when I'm finished, there's no messy cleanup. It's disposable, so I'm not rinsing anything out or dealing with a dusty cloth in the laundry. It's simple, efficient, and it keeps my home feeling polished with minimal effort. Home sweet home tip. Start with the highest surfaces first, ceiling fans, chandeliers, vents, then finish with your furniture. You'll get a cleaner result in less time. Consistency is my standard. I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.